Hi, today let me show you how to make Asian cucumber pickle salad. Looking like this. This is good if you want to eat it with the rice, if you have a rice curry or whatever. This is good with the any Asian dishes. So let's get started. Let's wash cucumber. Carrots, red chili peppers, slice the skin of the cucumber, then chop the edge of the cucumber, cut the cucumber into 4, then cut into quarters. Slice the seeds out. Then thinly slice it. And put into the big bowl. Just throw those away, we don't need it. Next, peel the carrot skin. Chop top and the bottom part. And then cut into 3. Slice them up very thinly, just like the cucumber. Put the carrot together with the cucumber. Let's use half of the onion. Take the skin out and slice them up. And put it together in the bowl. Next, the red chili pepper. Take the stem out and slice it thinly. Put the chili pepper together in the bowl. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Half a cup of white sugar. A little salt. Mix all the vegetables very well. Don't put any water, anything. Cover it with saran wrap. Place it in the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight. After 3 hours or overnight, take it out. You can stir and taste it to be sure all the flavor is there. So again, guys, after the next day, stir them up and taste it to be sure all the taste, the sugar, the sour vinegar tastes just right. And this is really good to be served, like I said in the beginning, with the rice or anything with Asian dish. And also the very important, you have to make this 2-3 hours at least, or overnight is the best, so to get the better result. So thanks again for watching my cooking channel. So thank you so much, and if you like it, subscribe, so I will show you some more stuff that I wanted to show you later. See ya.